How top tech CEOs use AI in their daily lives. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. According to PwC Consulting, AI could contribute approximately $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Today, we're rediving into how the CEOs of the world's top tech companies are integrating AI into their everyday lives. You might be surprised by what we discover. First up is Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, the company that's betting big on AI with a massive $13 billion partnership with OpenAI. Here's what's fascinating. Nadella doesn't consume podcasts the traditional way. Instead, he uploads content to his Copilot app and has conversations with AI during his commute. Satya Nadella. For me, the best way to consume a podcast is not to listen to it, but to have a conversation with the content while driving, thanks to Copilot. This method is more convenient because I can chat and interrupt it. Once he arrives at Microsoft headquarters, he uses Copilot to summarize messages in Teams and Outlook. He also has at least 10 custom agents from Copilot Studio to help prepare for meetings and conduct research. Talk about a truly digital-first CEO. Next, we have Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI and the mastermind behind ChatGPT. And here's the plot twist. He has become an AI dad in the most literal sense. After welcoming his first child in February, Altman admits to using ChatGPT constantly to navigate new parenthood. Sam Altman. Obviously, people have been able to take care of newborns for a long time without ChatGPT, but I don't know how I would do it without it. From researching child development stages to handling work emails, ChatGPT has become the CEO's ultimate parenting and productivity companion. Who knew AI could help with diaper duty and board meetings alike? First, finally, we have Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia, the $3 trillion chip giant powering the AI revolution. His approach, using AI as his personal tutor. Jensen Huang, I use it as a daily tutor. In areas that are quite new to me, I can ask. Start explaining it like I'm a 12-year-old, then gradually progress to PhD level. From perplexity to ChatGPT, Huang uses AI daily to explore everything from computer-based drug discovery to the latest tech breakthroughs. Continuous learning. That's the secret sauce of a trillion-dollar CEO. What we were seeing here isn't just about convenience. It's about a fundamental shift in how successful leaders leverage technology to amplify their capabilities. These CEOs aren't using AI to replace human thinking. They're using it to work smarter, learn faster, and stay ahead of the curve. The question is, are you ready to integrate AI into your daily workflow like these industry titans? If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Invest Nexus, your go-to source for cutting-edge financial and technology insights. We're constantly breaking down complex topics like AI adoption, investment strategies, and tech trends that are shaping our future. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest content on how technology is transforming business and finance. Share this video with anyone who's curious about how the world's most successful leaders are staying ahead in the AI revolution. And drop a comment below. Which CEO's AI strategy surprised you the most? Are you already using AI in your daily routine? Follow Invest Nexus for more exclusive content where finance meets technology, and where we decode the strategies of tomorrow's leaders today. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next episode where we continue exploring the intersection of innovation and investment.